long. I was shaking like a leaf, all wrapped up in my dirty sheets. If I agreed to what comes next, I would be faking with the best of them. It seems a crime I would commit without the difference of all the world's gifts. Sweet, 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 could you taste it? Never, 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 never taste it. Do, all the time, out of squeeze in the dead of night. All those faces come back to me. I'll be begging to swim the sea. Yeah, babe, I'll tell your story, make you cry in all your glory. I need to quench the thirst of many to justify and make ready. Sweet, 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 could you taste it? These are the words I speak. A dislocation from where we once came from.